Guys, today we're gonna show you how to make a s'mores. If you don't know how to make s'mores, this is it. First, add the Nutella in a bowl and put the marshmallows around.
The market. You like it?
Nutella over my face.
This is part 1 of the cooking video. Part 1, prepare, and part 2 will be the finishing touches. And part 3 will be the taste test. There will be 3 parts in this cooking series.
Yummy Nutella.
So first you add the marshmallows. And Saber's playing this.
Oh.
Alright, you add all of the marshmallows around just like... What? I thought you're adding the whole bag.
It won't fit.
And set up the microwave.
This is not a microwave.
No, oven. Don't drink. Oh, why? Don't drink this.
Don't try this at home.
No, it's not. Alright, so put the marshmallows around. This is our first cooking video of the channel. And how many minutes would you heat it?
I don't know.
Alright.
ATHENA doesn't know.
Look. Don't touch this.
Don't know.
Don't touch this. Don't touch the microwave for 6 minutes.
Don't try this at home.
And heat the marshmallows for about 6 minutes until they are burned. Alright, so we'll see you on part 2, guys. And anyways, profit.